Hello everyone, welcome from Frog Tips again. Today I got a just quick video for you, which is easy open Mavic Pro. You can find in that video how to open this Mavic Pro before. It's just 6 screws on the top, and this video is actually about how to replace the broken arm. It's so easy, so simply. All you need is just some solder station, because what we got just only 3 cable, which is actually plus, minus and ground, I think. Hopefully I'm right. Anyway, it's just 3 cable, which is alright to desolder. It's not hard. You just need a 1 solder tips and desolder this 3 cable once you open Mavic. If you don't know how to open Mavic, have a look on my channel. You can find plenty of video. Just click on the cards on the top, which just pop up now, and you will be find it all Mavic or some drones repair video on one place. Go and please have a look. Click like, share as well. If you like it, click subscribe for my channel for more content like this. But as you see, the desolder free cable is so simply, and you can do it very easy. Once you desolder this free cable, just carefully take it off 2 screws on the top, and it's standard Phillips cross screw. It's not a problem at all. You just need a 1 simple screwdriver for this job done. Another one is on the side, which I will be show you on the couple of seconds once I finish this 2 screw, and it's so easy. Like I said, if you don't know how to open this Mavic, just check my another video. Yeah, you can see here is a 1 screw on this side, which is actually the same screw, only one much shorter than the top screw from the Mavic, and that's it. Actually, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That is all you need to do. Change the broken arm or faulty arm, or whatever reason you have to change it. Like you see, it's just only 3 solder cable, and that's it. We get a new parts, new arm. It's lovely new component. Order it from the site. I use eBay. The link you can find it on description, and if you order over that link, it will be help me as well. Hopefully you will use my affiliate program for this, and you can help me as thanks. I help you with this video, but it's not, like I said, it's not a hard repair. It's so simply repair. Just stick it back. You got another 2 screw on the top, which is the same take it off before, and 1 screw on the back, which is very short screw. You can miss that, and actually all done. It's so easy, so simply, and really everyone can do it. After that, you can just slide on the same way the cable where you take it's where it's been actually before, and solder free cable back. If you're not sure how it's been before, you could actually writing the color even on the PCB, and or just remember that, but is gray on the right side if you look at this position, or from another position is left side, but white is on the middle and black one is on the side, and is actually mirror picture from the opposite side, which you can just actually copy that if you don't remember. But like I said, it's so simply and so easy to do. Just solder back, and once you do this, it's actually all done. You replace your Mavic arm, an arm working again as new, no problem at all. Just be sure you slide all cable carefully back on the position, otherwise you can broken. Once it will be all put together, you can broken with another screw, especially if it will be left cable in the screw hole, and also you will be can pull the top cover back, which is so easy. Just remember, always put the GPS antenna first. After that, start sliding from the side, on the gimbal side, on the top, and after that just actually pushing and clipping in, and all done, all good. You can test it and fly it with your Mavic, because arm is replaced, all is good. Please click like, and also don't forget subscribe for my channel, and new video will be coming soon. If you got any request, just ask, and hopefully see you on my another video. Bye.